Hi my friends, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I'm going to be making a vegan blueberry breakfast bar. Me and my husband goes to this place down the street, and it's a little coffee bar. It's so good, and they make these little breakfast bars. So I wanted to figure out how I can make it for our home. So I found a recipe on Pinterest. I'm hoping that it works and it tastes just like it. So what you're gonna need is 1.5 cups of oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, it's okay. All you have to do is get your rolled oats and blend it in your blender to make flour. So that's how I do mine. So you're gonna need 1.5 cups of flour, and then you're gonna need 1 1/4 cups of rolled oats, 1/3 cup of pancake syrup or maple syrup, and then you're gonna need 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and that is going to be your crust. For the filling, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. I forgot to tell you guys. It said to use your hands, so my hands are already washed, to mix the dough together, and if it's still too dry, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and then 1 tablespoon after that. So mine feels a little dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get me some water. It says that you want it to be soft and like sticky in a way. I think this is good. I don't think I'm gonna add any more. I don't want to overdo it. There we go. Okay. Ta-da! Okie dokie. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Yeah. I'm using parchment paper because I want to not clean too much. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 1 3/4 of this dough that we just made. Okay, and we're gonna put it in here. Let me grab my. Let's see. I don't want to take it all. I feel like I'm gonna take it all here. 1, 2. Oh my goodness! I'm taking it all. I'm gonna leave a little bit more there. I don't think I need that much. There we go. So you're gonna take your spatula and you're gonna. I'm taking my spoon. And you're gonna push this in. Try not to leave any holes or bubbles. This isn't working. Maybe I need more water. Maybe I need more water. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to probably make more of a batter. That's right. Okay. I'm gonna make more batter because I'm using a bigger pan. I wasn't even adding that extra in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pretty much use all of this for the bottom, and then I'll make some more for the top. And I have an 8x11 pan. Kind of tweaking as I go. Okay, and I'm using my fingers again. I like to cook with my fingers. Sometimes it's a lot easier. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I gotta make some more of this. So now what you have to do is you're gonna put your crust and the leftover dough, I'm gonna be making mine in a little bit, in the refrigerator while you make your blueberry filler. You're gonna add 2 cups of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of pancake syrup. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then you need a half a teaspoon of lemon zest. Okay. We're going to cook this on medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes until it starts to bubble on the sides of the pan. And then we're going to smash the blueberries and keep stirring it for another 2 minutes. It's going to be runny, but it will thicken up in the oven as we bake it. Now you take your crust out of the refrigerator and you're going to pour over your jam. I'm gonna go get a spatula. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of all over, make sure get some yummies all over. Oh, it smells so amazing. Oh my goodness, that's wow. Okay, now I have made extra crust, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crumble it over the top as much as I think you could do as much as you want. I think I kind of want some of the jam to be popping out. So I'm gonna just kind of do this. I think that's enough. Okay. Now that we are done making our blueberry breakfast bars, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. You're going to make sure that it's golden brown, and then you'll take it out and let it cool for 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to remove it from the pan. You will like to have it cool down for about 30 minutes or till it hits room temperatures, and then you'll be able to slice it up into about 16 little bars, and then after that you could stir it into a tight container and leave it out on room temperature for a few days, or you could actually put it in the refrigerator for about a week. And if you want to, you could also put it in the freezer and freeze it, and then when you need it or you want it, you just take it out and let it defrost, or even put it in the microwave, I guess, for a couple of zaps, and then able to have your blueberry vegan breakfast bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven. Okay, now that it is done, it is looking so yummy, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. It's a little bit warm, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna do, I don't know, I want to do big pieces because I have teenagers. And you know, if I make little ones, they're just gonna constantly eat all of them. So we're gonna do big chunks, maybe. Yeah, I think this will be good. You can make them, cut them smaller, but for our kids and my husband, I'm just gonna do these big ones. Okay. Here is the gooiness. Look how yummy that looks. Oh my goodness, guys. You want the first bite? Take a bite. We just got done going to the pool, and I'm gonna go ahead and snack on this. I can't wait to try it. It's really good. I like it because it's not super sweet, and I thought it was gonna be over sweet because of all that maple syrup or pancake syrup, however you want to call it, but it isn't. It tastes really good. I do have a strawberry one I'm gonna try, so I'm excited to make these more often. It's super easy. I think I'm gonna do it at nighttime, so in the morning it'll be easier for us. But this will be going good with some civil needle tea or chamomile tea. I like having tea with this type of breakfast bar, or coffee, guys. This would be so yummy. I want to say thank you guys so much for joining with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this blueberry vegan breakfast bar. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and I hope you have a blessed day and a great summer. Bye, guys.